Hello, welcome to tutorial 7 of the Secure WordPress installation series. This tutorial will guide you through a step-by-step process of activating and configuring the Google Authenticator plugin. Google Authenticator is a plugin that offers two-factor authentication to increase the security of your website, particularly when it comes to the logging in functionality. The way it works is that you'll have to download the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone device, so be it Android, iPhone, BlackBerry, and before each login to the site, you will be given a code that you will enter. So you're gonna have now 3 empty boxes when you on your admin area. You're gonna have username, password, and additional area for the code. For more information about this plugin, you can double check the Google Authenticator plugin on the WordPress.org page. Now, before we go and do the installation and configuration, I suggest you take a moment and do a backup of your site of app and database just in case things go wrong. Now, once that is done, once you're done with your backup, let's log in. Go on your admin side and let's log in. And under plugins, let's go under Google Authenticator and let's activate it. Once this plugin is installed, this is very important to visit the plugin site because this plugin is installed on a different place. If you double check the plugin site, it's going to give you the exact instructions where it is. The instructions for the plugin are under how to, in case you wonder. So what we're going to do, so under the users tab, you click on the user for which you are generating the key, and if you see there's gonna be a new setting called Google Authenticator settings. This is gonna give you a set of keys. So now, before we can continue with the setup, let's go on your device and download the Google Authenticator app. If you have that downloaded, so you can pause this tutorial until you download it. The icon should look something like this, the gray area. And now, how you do it on your phone, you click on the add an account or set up an account, whatever you have. This is how it looks on Android. You click on enter key provided. You enter account name, whatever you want to call it, and then you have to enter your key in the second column, and that key is coming from your site. So make sure to put the correct key in that you have on your site, and then once you put in the key, you click on the add button, which you're going to see in the lower right corner. As soon as you click it, you will be given a screen that's gonna give you a number. As we will notice, there's gonna be a watch on this side that's gonna tell you how long is this key valid. It's a time value, so I think it's a few minutes, and then after a few minutes the new key generates. So every time you log in, it's gonna be a different set of keys. That makes it nice. Once you have that set up in your app and you see it on your phone that you have the keys generated, the only thing left is that to make this setting active. So you have to check this box to actually activate it. One other feature which is not related to this plugin, what I found really interesting, is that it would be actually preferable that you change your nickname. So let's say I'm just going to change this to Nina, and so it's harder for somebody to know that what username are you using. Username you cannot change, but the display name that you're going to publicly show, I'm just going to show Nina instead of the whole thing. So this way nobody will know what will be my actual username. This always helps. And now, since we activated this, let's make sure to update the profile, otherwise the changes will not take effect. So let's update the profile, and it says profile updated. Let's log out from this application. Now let's try to log in. As you can see, there is a new box called Google Authenticator code. So now every time you log in, you'll have to add 3 of these values: the username, your password, and the Google Authenticator code. So let's try to log in, and the code will be coming straight from your smartphone. Perfect. We logged in, and now we are good to do other stuff. So this is it when it comes to the Google Authenticator plugin. I had the chance to also, if you maybe don't like the way this is set up, I had a chance to play a bit with another plugin that also offers two-factor authentication, which is called CLEF, C-L-E-F. And for more information, you can check it on the WordPress.org plugins page. It offers similar functionality, but on a very different way. If you don't have to input any username and password, but you just scan your phone against the computer screen, it's kind of a wave, and it looks pretty cool. But I think that, in my opinion, the Google Authenticator plugin is more stable, so that's why I chose to go with it. But if you have time, it's definitely recommended that you try to play with this. That will be it. This marks our tutorial 7 and the last tutorial tutorial. I hope you gain a valuable knowledge from this. Thanks a lot for your time.